Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video, I figured I would do a follow along, which is, I watch someone else do a makeup tutorial and see if I can't do the same and see how my look turns out as opposed to theirs. Alright, so the person I'm going to be following along to today is going to be Nikki Tutorials, and I know there's probably very few who actually know who she is, but if you don't know who she is, I'm going to link this video that I'm going to be following along today with in my description box so that you can see hers as well. She's a really amazing makeup artist. Shout out to her. Not that she needs it because she has quite a few subscribers, but I love her anyways just because she's amazing and she always comes through whenever it comes to makeup looks. Anyways, I guess the one I will be following will be from her, it's called Bat Eyeliner for Halloween. It's from her 7 days of makeup, or Halloween makeup, or whatever she calls it. It's like a series she does for Halloween. Anyways, I guess I'm just gonna jump right into it. Also, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so very much. Hit that notification bell so that you can know anytime I upload any of my videos or not, whatever. It's your preference. Anyways, I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so in this video, she already has her first eye done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow along with one of my eyes, and then after that I'm going to do the other eye off camera.
Is the bat liner look that we're going to be
Alright, she's talking about the bat liner look so far.
Always, you want to prime, and I'm using my P. Louise base.
The first thing she says is you want to prime with base and use a dry beauty blender to kind of...
Not setting it. That is the magic.
Oh, and she also said to not set it. Interesting, because usually you do set that, but you know. So I don't have the same thing she does, but what I'm going to use is this Too Faced 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to use a dry beauty blender, a really small one. And I'm just going to do exactly what she said, which was pat it all over the eye, using a dry beauty blender. And she also said not using Juvia's Place palette for an orange color. So instead of Juvia's Place, because I don't have that one, what I'll probably use for the orange color is Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal, and I'll probably use Dry Inks is what it's called, but it's like this orange color right here. I might actually mix it a little bit with an orange color from the Morphe 35B palette.
We have that payoff. We're going to focus on blending the edges. But first,
okay.
Let's just get
so first, you push it into the crease, and then after you push it into the crease, you kind of blend it out a little bit. Okay, so she also said since it's going to be an extreme cut crease, don't be afraid to bring it high up and also bring it all the way into the inner corner and then blend out.
So for the outer corner, using soft circular motions, I'm applying the orange and kind of taking it up towards the tail of my brow here. So take it up here.
Okay, so
And then outer corner.
She is saying for the outer corner to use circular motions and to kind of take it up towards the tail of the brow, I guess because it's going to be an intense cut crease. So I'm doing that. Alright, the next shade she uses is yellow from the same palette. However, I don't have that palette, so I'm going to use the yellow from the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, and I might even mix a little bit in with the Morphe 35B palette. I'm not sure yet. It just all depends on what it ends up looking like. Alright, so she's saying to pick it up flat on the side of the brush, which is what I did, and then going, you know, side to side motions, left to right, basically, and blending it on top of the orange. So, here I go. Hopefully it won't look too crazy. Actually, it looks really pretty. Alright, so she also said to take a bigger brush and just kind of blend it also onto the bridge of the nose. So here I go. Bridge of nose. Alright, she uses like a chocolate brown color to kind of deepen out the outer corner of the crease. So what I'm going to use, I guess it's a chocolatey brown, will be Drizzle from the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. Alright, she's cutting the crease now. Again, I'm using a different concealer than what she's using, but I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape. And it's going to be a very dramatic cut crease. And you're going to bring it all the way out. Alright, we have cut the crease. Maybe I should have put a little bit more brown there. That's okay. I can fix that later. And next she's saying to put like a champagne color all over the lid. She used something from the new 35, what was it called? What'd she say? Let me see. Let me just see.
That is going to set the lid. Palette that I was talking about in yesterday's video, that is going to...
No.
Okay, remember that beautiful champagne color from the Morphe 35V palette that I was talking about?
35V palette.
That is going to set the lid.
Alright, so I don't have that palette. Again, like I said, I probably don't have anything that she actually used in this video, but that's okay. I can improvise. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this champagne color that I have off this Revolution makeup palette. It's the Salvation palette. Alright, so what I ended up doing was, because that color wasn't enough, I ended up using both of these colors right here and just kind of mixing the two.
Crazy bat liner. So first, we're going to start off with a crazy long as line, just like you would do any other
bat liner. I will be using this black Ulta Beauty felt tip liner. Well, I'm not sure that the top really looks like hers, but she says the next step is to work on the bottom, and the first one is, you know, the first, I guess, wing. Well, all I gotta say to this is thank God for concealer, and it still doesn't look anything like hers, but, you know, I'm not a very good, I guess, artist whenever it comes to doing looks with the eyes, like, you know, making bats and stuff like that, so, you know, I guess that's why this is so challenging. Right, so the next step she does is black eyeliner on the lower lash line and up underneath the lashes, I guess you could say. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do next. This wing, I just want to say this bat wing is really big. Like so much bigger than the one she made on her face. I'm just saying. Alright, the last step she does is she uses a white liner to kind of make dots at the top and dots at the bottom. So I'm going to attempt this as well, even though I'm pretty sure mine looks absolutely nothing like hers. Like, her bat wings are so much smaller than mine. And there you have it. Let me do this other eye. It's probably gonna just, you know, look just as crazy, but I'll do the other eye off camera and see if I can't, you know, maybe fix this a little bit. Alright, I did the other eye, and now that all of the hard part is over, she is basically just contouring, highlighting, putting on lipstick. So this is all just simple stuff. I guess I should just explain how I will contour and highlight my face. I'm going to be using this NYX Contour and Highlight Pro Palette, and for highlight I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's 24 Karat, because I don't have any of the products that she is using. So yeah, there's that. Alright, next I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush. I'm going to use this Laura Geller. It's Baked Blush and Brighten Tropic Hues. And I really love this color because it's very pretty, very subtle. It has a little bit of highlight, a little bit of shine to it.
Also looks really pretty on the cheeks.
Alright, next I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use the Jeffree Star 24 Karat one. Sarcophagus is the color I will use because I'm so white, and this is pretty much the only color I can use out of this for a regular, you know, highlight. Alright, yet again, I don't have any of the products that she's using for her lips, so I'm going to use this NYX lip liner in the color, it's matte lip liner, it's in the color Copenhagen, and I'm also going to use for lipstick this Ulta lipstick in the color Stay Fierce, and hopefully it turns out okay. We shall see. Alright, so she also uses lip gloss at the end of the lip look, so I'm going to use this because, again, I don't have the color she has. I'm going to use Damn Gina Cocoa by Kylie Cosmetics. Alright, I guess this is the finished look. I made my lips way bigger than what they normally are. FYI, when you want to make your lips bigger, lip liner is a lifesaver. Anyways, she has big lips, so I figured I would make myself have a big lips. Anyways, you know, I guess it turned out okay. I do love the colors. I love the orange and the yellow and like the white dots all together. However, I do believe I could have done a little bit better on the bat liner thing. But like I said, you know, I'm not an, I guess, eye artist or whatever it's called, where you do a whole bunch of detail on the eye. I'm more of a special effects artist where you do gory looks and not glam looks. So, you know, whatevs. But hey, I love it. I'm kind of digging it. Other than the fact that my wings are really big. But I think that with a little bit of practice, I could actually pull this off. So I guess if you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Give it a nice, you know, thumbs up, whatevs. Anyways, In case you haven't checked out Nikki Tutorials, the whole 7 days of Halloween thing that she does, you should totally do that. Because this is only like the second day that she's done it, and this came from the second day of the look. The first day she did like the skull makeup, and it was really freaking cool. So if you haven't checked it out, please do. I will again leave her in the description box below, because she was the inspiration for this whole video, seeing as how I basically tried to follow her tutorial. Anyways, I guess I will see you guys in the next video. I love ya. Happy Halloween. It's like a week away now. Happy Halloween. Yes. I love Halloween, can you tell? Anyways, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.